Mark Zuckerberg can never be fired from Meta like Steve Jobs was from his own company Apple. And that is because Mark uses a special legal tool that gives him the control of the company. But what is this special legal tool and how and why it can be super useful for our Indian founders as well is something that we will discuss in this video. Now see, a lot of companies actually go downhill because founders and the investors are not on the same page. But with Mark Zuckerberg, despite the fact that he only owns a minority stake that is 13%, he controls the entire company with 61% voting rights because he has something that is called as the super voting rights. And this is something that the Indian founders can also be inspired from and can use them in their own startups because it is perfectly valid within the Indian legal framework as well. And in order to understand this, you firstly need to understand the general rule that is provided in section 47 of the Companies Act, which provides that the company's equity holders will have voting rights proportional to their equity. But this, as I said, is the general rule which is subject to section 43 of the Companies Act, which by itself clearly provides that a company can issue equity with differential voting rights, which also covers such super or superior voting rights. And as a founder, you can certainly use this route to acquire these superior voting rights. But in that case, you will also have to comply with Rule 4 of company's share capital and debenture rules, which by itself has certain conditions that you need to meet in order to get those rights. But guess what? There is actually one easier way out to get these rights as well. And if you wish to know that easier way as well, then let me know in the comment section and I will come up with another video explaining that easier route as well.